Father, I'm going out on a ride.
Please be careful, my daughter.
I will.
You are ambushed, princess. Kindly follow our instructions. No harm will come to you.
No, please.
Your Majesty, this letter was sent this morning.
Read the letter aloud.
From the notorious bandits, we kidnapped your daughter. Any further news will be sent to you again.
My daughter!
Long live the king!
My dear people, today I'm very angry and frustrated. Some unknown bandits ambushed my daughter and kidnapped her yesterday. A messenger brought us the news this morning. Anyone that can be able to get my daughter back will have a massive reward. Send my message across my land to any warrior that you know. I need them urgently. Any warrior that rescue my daughter will marry her and be crowned the next king.
Did you hear the news that spread the whole city?
What's happening? I don't have any idea.
The king's daughter has been captured by bandits and the king put a reward on her.
A reward?
Any man that bring her back will marry her and become king.
I'm gonna bring her back.
I will marry her and become king.
Good luck, my friend. I trust you.
In this my whole land, nobody can go and rescue my daughter. What a shame. 1 week since she's been kidnapped. I don't know which situation she's in right now. His Majesty, there's a warrior that want to talk to you. Bring him in.
I'm here, Your Majesty. Young man, so you are the one that want to rescue my daughter?
Yes, Your Majesty, I'm ready to take any risk, even if it will cost my life.
Impressive.
He's the right man for the job. Give him all the things he wanted, including the amount of soldiers that will help him. Mom, I'll embark on a journey to rescue the king's daughter.
I'm afraid, my son, I don't want to lose you.
Mom, just pray for me.
Wishing you safe journey, my son.
Thanks, Mom.
Face me, coward! To the death!
Take this! Not today! You fall! Hold the reins steady! You ride to your death! No, I ride to glory! The tower is upon us! Bring it down before it reaches us! Archers, fire! Fall back! Stand your ground! Even giants bleed! Yeah, come on! Ah, not today! Lock shields! Aye. We stand or we die together! Soldiers, retaliate now! Prabhas. Charge! Break their lines! Ah! I can't see! Feel them, not the storm! Ah! You will not win! We shall see!
No sound. What if we're seen? Then no one survives.
The battle is won, but our work is not done. Onward!
We won at a cost. Was it worth it? Time will tell.
Bandits ahead! Stay behind me. Do we run? We fight. Bandits! Protect the caravan! Attack! Take everything! Fight back! Defend yourselves! For honor!
These relics are priceless. Truth is worth more. You accuse me? I warn you.
For your service, warrior.
My thanks. I must go. Safe journey.
चांदनी रातों में तेरी याद आई खामोश लम्हों में धड़कन गुनगुनाई तेरी हंसी में था मेरा जहां तेरी बाहों में था सारा आसमां सपनों की राहों पे चलते रहे प्यार की कसम हम कहते रहे पर एक दिन तू जैसे मौसम भी रूठ गया, दिल की जो थी वो रोशनी अंधेरों में कहीं छूट गया।
झूठी थी बातें, झूठी थी बातें, फिर भी दिल तुझे पुकारे।
दिल की कसम हम लड़ेंगे यहाँ, प्यार के लिए, इस जहां के लिए, जख्म भी।
One slip and you're dead. Then I won't slip. You're surrounded!
Good. I needed a challenge.
You dare challenge me for the Dark Lord? Not while I stand! This temple will be your grave. Then let the gods witness your fall. Ha! Yeah! Ugh!
Dear God, save me from this place. I can't endure it. Any man that saves me will be my husband.
Your food is here, princess. Eat and enjoy.
I will not eat this type of food. I'm a princess.
Then you'll starve to death.
Why do you fight?
To protect,
Why you?
because no one else will.
You are surrounded. Surrender yourself before we kill you.
It's okay, I surrender.
हंसी में मेरा घर था, तेरी नजरों में एक शहर था। मैंने दिल से तुझे चुना था, तूने दिल को ही तोड़ दिया। गुलाबों सा जो रंग था मेरा, वो भी तेरे हाथों बिखर गया। फिर भी मैं तुझसे जला नहीं, मैं अपने वादे पर टिका रहा। अब ये रातें सवाल करें, किसने प्यार को दाग दिया, किसने सपनों की रेखा में खंजर जैसा नाम दिया। इंसाफ चाहिए, इंसाफ चाहिए, मेरे लोगों को आज इंसाफ चाहिए। प्यार भी जिए और जंग भी लड़े, हमको बस अपना ही आसमान चाहिए।
Tomorrow you must fight with our small dragon. It kill you, you die. You kill it, you survive. Fight! Kneel! I kneel to no one. For victory, Abdul! Abdul! Abdul triumphs! Abdul!
I'm escaping tonight to go and rescue the princess.
I'm searching for the princess. I hope I find her soon. I see a small door. Let me go and check it. The bandits have gathered a lot of treasures here. The princess dungeon must be near. Yes, I saw the princess dungeon. Let me go and rescue her. I'm coming for you.
Who are you? What are you going to do to me?
Calm down, my princess. Your father sent me to rescue you. Let's go.
Thank you, warrior.
Let me untie you, my princess. You look devastated.
Thank you, warrior.
This warrior has saved the princess. I, the king of this kingdom, will fulfill my promise. Let's celebrate my in-law and our new king.
Congratulations, my friend, on becoming our new king.
Thanks so much, brother. You encouraged me well.
I'm so happy for you, my son, on becoming the new king.
Yes, mother. From today, you are the mother of a king.
Do you accept the crown?
I accept its burden.
My husband, this marriage is a blessing to us.
Yes, my dear. We are blessed.
I love you, my husband.
I love you more, my wife and queen.
Long live the king and queen!
I'm afraid.
Fear is not weakness.
How do I win?
Learn to control it.
Today's lesson is complete. Go to home, my kid.
Yes, Daddy.
Our king, the city men are destroying our village with their illegal mining. Please help us.
I will stop them. I will destroy all their activities. Long live the king!
It was you. I had to survive. You doomed us all. I had no choice.
You chose fear.
Enemies grow stronger, then we grow stronger. War is coming. We'll be ready.
The steel is strong. It needs a soul. Will you give it one with blood and fire?
You are chosen
For what?
to save them all.
Show me how.
You must rule through kindness, fairness, and justice.
I promise you, dear goddess, I will do it. I won't talk.
You already have.
You have nothing.
I have everything I need.
The ice is closing in. Hold course. We'll sink. Not today. Steady on course. The frozen seas will not stop us. We sail for glory.
They're gaining.
Not for long.
Party's over.
This city is mine.
Not anymore. You fall tonight. Never. It's over. Nice outfit. It's not for show. You don't belong here.
I belong where justice is denied.
You cannot hide behind your wealth.
What is this? Who are you?
I am your reckoning. I destroyed them. I, the king, promise you it will never happen again.
In your laughter I had my home. In your eyes there was a whole world. I chose you with all my heart, but you ended up breaking it. The color I had like blooming roses was scattered by your own hands. Still I never burned with hatred for you. I stayed true to my promises. Now these nights question me, who stained the purity of love, who upon the lines of dreams etched a name like a dagger. We want justice. We want justice. My people demand justice today. Let love live and let us fight the war. We just want a sky of our own. We want justice. We want justice. Truth must leave its mark on the face of life. Your nature was hidden in your ways, but my eyes read it all. The one who smiled and pushed me down was the one who changed their color.